Hello, I'm Davidson from doesbiz.com. I am so super excited that you've decided to join me for the Master Online Workshops 5-day challenge. Over the course of the 5 days, starting on Monday the 25th of May, we will be covering the following topics. Overcoming your fear of presenting online, some simple tips to talk on camera like a pro. Help you master and embrace your tech. Ways to restructure your PowerPoint slides and some tips for more effective PowerPoint presentations. Ways to change your offer, transitioning your offer from offline to online. And on the final day, we'll bring it all together. Each day you will receive an email advising that the next unit is available for you to complete. Each unit, when completed, just click the Done button and submit your homework under each unit's thread only. This will make it easier to keep track of. So who am I, and how am I qualified to offer this challenge to you? I have more than 35 years of administration experience and have experience in speaking to large and small gatherings, recording interviews with other entrepreneurs around Australia, and my business is creating PowerPoint presentations for speakers and thought leaders. So I'm super excited that you have decided to come, and I look forward to seeing you in the group. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday. Bye for now.